Let's try to find out how we can program for embedded system. As mentioned earlier, embedded system consists of both hardware and software. If we consider simple embedded system, the main hardware module is the processor. The processor is the heart of embedded system and it can be anything like microprocessor, microcontroller, DSP processor, CPLD or FPGA. All these devices have one thing in common, they are all programmable. That is, we can write a program to define how the hardware actually works. Embedded software or program allows hardware to monitor external events and control external devices. During this process, the program of embedded system may have to directly manipulate the internal structure of embedded hardware such as serial communication interface, interrupt handling, and input output port. From this, it is clear that the software part of embedded system is equally important to the hardware part. There is no point in having advanced hardware component with poorly written program or software. Embedded system programming is different from developing application on desktop computers. The key characteristic of embedded system when compared to the PC or desktop are embedded devices have resource constraint. That is, we have limited ROM, read-only memory, limited RAM, random access memory, limited stack space, and less processing power. Components used in embedded systems and PCs are different. Embedded system typically uses smaller and less power consuming components. Embedded systems are more tied to the hardware. Two silent features of embedded programming are code speed and code size. Code speed is governed by processing power and the timing constraints, whereas code size is governed by available program memory and the use of programming language. Goal of embedded system programming is to get maximum features in a minimum space and minimum time. Embedded systems are programmed using different types of languages. Machine code, low level language like assembly, high level language like C, C++, Java, etc. and the application level language like Visual Basic,